So we're at Moseley Private Park again. Do some more grid work here. I'm just sat at this bench, lovely bench, with the hands, lovely carved bench. So it's probably dedicated to this person. For Jan 1992, Abby Sion and Mo Alistair 16th of April 2015. I presume that's the day they died. Not sure. But anyway, it's a lovely bench. So I think we'll sit here and do an oracle card to start. So welcome to my channel. How you all doing? It's a little bit colder than I expected. I wish I brought a warmer jacket. But anyway, hopefully the sun comes out strong, and it's windy as well, so that's what makes it cold. So, we're at the private park. I have done a video here before. So we worked with the dragons today. Oh, it's freezing. So if you want to get the kettle on and join me for a cup of tea, warm up a bit before I start. Ooh, I think it's going to be about 16 degrees today, but I'm sure it's less than that at the moment. It's freezing. So degrees less than yesterday. When the sun comes out, it's fine. Put my microphone on. The microphone's on, so it should be working fine. Should be able to hear me. That's absolutely freezing. So we've got the Dragon Path Oracle by Caroline Mitchell. So we're going to work with white crystals today. Oh, flew out. Balance, interesting. Got the yin and yang at the top. I like it when that one comes out because it always makes me think, am I being balanced? Right, so we'll just read that one. Easy to find because it's the first one in the book. So it says, what you are experiencing in your life now is transitional. This dragon balance depicts aspects of us as a whole, our light, our shadow sides. As humans, we show the world our many different sides. For we are multifaceted and can change from situation to situation. It's windy again, so I'm just worrying about this tripod. Where are I? These aspects could include our compassion, frustration, love, irritation, joy, and so on. His appearance in your spread is to remind you that everything is perfect, even if the situation you find yourself in is pushing your buttons. There's always something going on, isn't there? So balance says fear and frustration only serve one purpose, and that is to disempower. Life on Earth is all about achieving a personal equilibrium, seeing things for what they are, balancing your daily activities and demands with time to laugh and play. You run the risk of becoming too serious and caught up in the dramas that are unfolding in your life now by not allowing yourself time to play. It's so true. It does get very serious sometimes, and it's good to just sit back and just have a laugh. You can call upon my energy and wisdom to guide you to be more balanced in how you view or feel about your situation. You cannot have darkness without light, the sun without the moon. Do you need to learn to say no, or to look at your personal boundaries? Are they being crossed? Are they being crossed too often? Maybe you should say yes to things which, although make you feel fearful, will assist your personal and spiritual growth. Remember that what you are experiencing in your life now is transitional. It won't last forever. This, like much of life, is a phase, a lesson, and it too will soon pass. If you find yourself in a perplexing situation, ask for his wisdom to be bestowed upon you. Balance will guide you to understanding, to know in your heart what you can do, or indeed if you need to do anything at all. Sometimes all that is required is balance. Patience. And balance, because we're reading about balance. So, I'm just going to drink another cup of tea, and then I think we'll head over by the stream where we were before, and see what needs doing down there. So we've moved positions. I've been to a couple of places in here, but it didn't feel right today. I think the energy's slightly off in this part today. Just get the vibe. Anyway, we're at the riverbank, or lake bank. It's a little bit warmer here as well, that's quite good. So I'm going to do a grid on here. It's like a fishing point. I think I showed you these before. And the number of this fishing point is number 11, so I thought, yeah, that's perfect. So I'll just show you this grid. So this is the spot. It's got like a little fishing part that you can sit on. And this is the grid. For balance. Excuse me. So I'll just place the card in the middle. In the centre we've got my granite generator. It's got titanium on, and also a coil wrap on the bottom. It's not titanium, sorry, it's rainbow hematite, which is magnetic, that's around the sides. And the granite's got quartz crystal in, so it's quite a powerful generator. Got the mirror in the centre. We've got my dragon Asta, my other dragon Venus, my rose quartz dragon. So rose quartz, clear quartz, selenite. These are just little rhinestones. And then I've got the leaves on the mirrors. So that's the grid. It's in a diamond shape. And that's for balance. So I activate this grid to bring us balance. So I've got my Vogel crystal. The Vogel crystals, because they're cut into this certain way, it helps direct the energy. Also, they're good for emotional balance, so I think that would be nice for us to work on emotional balance in our chakras. Mainly the heart chakra would be good. It will assist us to release trapped traumas, and also the third eye is another one that would be good to be balanced. The winds come now. So I'll just do a few hand movements and use this crystal to assist. So connect with the crystal. work on the heart chakra because that's where the emotions will be stored, or some of the emotions. As well as the sacral. Tiki umu ushti ni ima otiti ia atoto ushkiki ni ima otia. Tia maa ot ia koko it irosh. Ni uma ia hat okoti tiki ki ikia a. Toko kukiki I motia. Namaste. Anyway, thank you for joining me today at Moseley Private Park. Some grid work. And thank you to all my subscribers and my new subscribers. Welcome to you all. Thank you for your likes, comments and shares because it does help with the algorithm and it will bring more people to the channel. So have a beautiful day or evening. Namaste, and I'll see you all soon.